Welcome back to our channel.
I'm Rosie.
I'm Lucy.
We're the Tossman sisters.
And we're back with a booty workout for you.
Bootilicious song challenge. So I hope you guys are ready
To feel peachy, to feel the burn. It's 3 minutes, so no excuses. You can do this anytime, anywhere, and it's going to be really fun. And we're going to feel the burn.
Practice what you peach. See you on the mat. Hi guys, and welcome to your glutes bridge song challenge. So we're going to start down on the floor in that bridge position. So feet flat,
Knees to the ceiling, torso relaxed. Tuck until that pelvis under, and rest those hands.
I like pelvis.
And just gently squeeze and lift those hips to the ceiling to start in a glute bridge position at the top. Hold here. We're gonna isolate those glutes and really feel the squeeze to get them fired up, feeling nice and warm. Keep holding that position. And we're gonna go down and up for reps, starting now. Down, up, down, up. Good. Nice work. Feeling the squeeze, like tap to the floor. Good job, guys. Keep going. We're gonna do a couple more reps. 3, 2, last one. Hold. And what we're gonna do from here is a little pulse up and down in 3, 2, 1, go. Little movement, squeeze, and pinch those glutes, baby. I love a glute bridge. Can feel it burning already. 3, 2, back to reps. Nice. Up and down. Feeling the pinch. You feel the burn yet, Lou? Yep. In my hamstrings for sure. Just quietly dying over here. Squeeze. Keep going. 3 more reps. And hold at the top. What we're going to do is we're going to release one leg out to a single leg bridge hold, bringing those knees in line. Hold here. Nice and steady. What you're doing is you're firing up one side more than the other in this hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, release that leg. Hold center. Woohoo! 3, 2, 1, let's release that other leg and hold. Nice job, making sure those knees are nice and in line and that leg is lifted. Keep holding, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and let it go. Stay up. Are you ready to pulse again, Lou? Ready. Oh, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Pulse. Good.
Oh, I can feel my butt cheeks.
I can too. Are you pulsing? Are you feeling that peach? Getting even more bootylicious with every rep. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold. I'm going to get you to transition to bring your toes up to the ceiling and your heels dug into the floor. You ready to pulse?
Ready.
Here we go. We pulse up and down with those toes lifted. Let's go. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Toes down. Woo! And release.
Oh my
those
goodness.
glutes. Woo! I feel it. Nice and peachy. Hamstrings and glutes on fire actually with that one.
We did practice what we peached.
We did practice what we peached. So,
Still down there.
I hope you enjoyed that song challenge, guys. I really feel it. I feel like it's getting more intense the little bit reps.
Little bit tight.
A little bit tight. Yeah, comment below if you enjoyed this Bootilicious song challenge.
Give us a
and we will
thumbs
back.
up.
We will be back for more super soon.
I'll be back.
I'll be back.